In the vast, endless darkness of the cosmos, there exists a world where two suns rise and two suns set. A planet where day and night are ruled not by one, but by a dance of light from twin stars. Welcome to Kepler 16b, a world stranger and more beautiful than anything we have ever imagined. Today, we embark on an extraordinary voyage. A journey to a distant system 200 light-years away. To witness a landscape shaped by two burning skies. And uncover the secrets of a planet that proves the universe is far more creative than we ever dreamed. Our story begins in 2011, when NASA's Kepler space telescope, a watchful eye in the heavens, spotted something. Scientists noticed tiny, rhythmic dips in the light of two stars. Not one. Something was orbiting both suns together, a world floating in a cosmic dance of two gravitational giants. Kepler 16b was the first confirmed circumbinary planet, a world orbiting two stars instead of one. It was a discovery that shattered old theories and opened a new era in the search for alien worlds. Imagine standing on the surface of Kepler 16b. Above you, two suns gleam, one large and golden, the other smaller and crimson red. Sometimes they rise together, bathing the sky in double sunlight. Sometimes one lingers longer than the other, painting the heavens with surreal colors. Sometimes they eclipse each other, casting eerie, shifting shadows across the alien landscape. Temperatures here are cold, around -150 degrees Fahrenheit. The ground, if there is solid ground, would be frozen and alien, shaped by ancient winds and the ever-changing dance of light and shadow. There would be no true seasons like Earth. Instead, the planet would experience complex, twisting cycles, times when both suns heat the surface together, and times when their light wanes, plunging the world into an icy twilight. How could a planet survive in such chaos? Scientists were stunned. Two stars tugging in different directions should have ripped apart any forming planet. Yet, Kepler 16b endures. It formed from the shattered dust of two colliding solar winds, carving a stable path between the opposing forces of gravity. It's a cosmic miracle, proof that where there's chaos, life, or at least worlds, can find a way. This discovery changed everything. It told us that planets could form even in the most unlikely of places, and that somewhere out there, under twin sunsets, life might be watching its two suns set. But could anything live here? Kepler 16b itself is a gas giant, about the size of Saturn, not a friendly place for life as we know it. However, imagine if Kepler 16b had a moon. A rocky, Earth-like moon, warmed by the twin stars and shielded by the gas giant's magnetic field. There, life could exist. There, oceans could reflect the dance of two suns, and forests could stretch under double daylight. We call this idea exomoons, moons around exoplanets, and Kepler 16b could have been the first hint that such exotic worlds might exist, hiding in the light of binary stars. Since Kepler 16b's discovery, astronomers have found dozens more circumbinary planets. Each discovery makes one thing clear: binary star systems are not rare. They are common. In fact, half the stars in our galaxy are part of binary or multiple star systems. It means that tattooing-like planets, worlds orbiting two suns, may be everywhere. It means the cosmos could be filled with planets far stranger and more beautiful than we ever dared believe. So, as we look up at the stars tonight, somewhere out there, in a quiet corner of the Cygnus constellation, Kepler 16b spins silently under its twin suns. A world that shouldn't exist, yet does. A world that whispers to us, the universe is not just bigger than we imagine. It's bigger than we can imagine. And for every strange planet we discover, one truth becomes clear: the greatest adventures still lie ahead, waiting in the light of distant suns. This was your journey to Kepler 16b. Thank you for traveling with us beyond imagination.